bakuriye birogo aho kurwase county ya Kisii nigo batebire buna barabwo nigo barenekerenka gyogo cyakoraria omurembe bosio bwo bacuri bonene ebuchitariki cyana cy'umutinyo 5 bo mwako yoiga ayo nigo bayakwanete kingakibakiranite aso musangerekano y'ubwariganitiwe nekyombekia NCCK gose National Council of Churches in Kenya.
Ekero ense ya Kenya egendete kwariganirwa cyasobo cyorio bonne bu mwako yoiga nigo bono abasubati bali bakorigi ebirogo aho banyarire bagwesokya nakuburi abakenya bonsi korali omurembe
tokole chikura chyo omurembe ndatari kora mondonya to nyancheti to basakonda magostondo taligena na inche orio gon support onye tibwanje ti umuntu orio nde to kumenya kama to murama ose to basakomo taligena
wote to kiremunga. All we want is peace for women.
Saying us as women, we are ready to keep peace and to ensure that we are going to have fairness in terms of the way we do our business.
Baokwana ekero baikiranete asa maigerio ariganetigwe ne kiombe kia National Council of Churches of Kenya nigo bono bateruna nirebu yabasubati na barabu kwego burendi boisaine ina barabu kweyakira ekoko
ukoboria security ito wetera se county commissioner na national government eyo minto Dr. Matiangi baligereria abangina mono intu abanyene twamuire nga nko rigitore birogo byonsi biri birororo togo kombiti intwe abangina n'abagaka togo kombiti abangina asabangina na ende intu entorigo chigokora campaign tokurutera na magina togo chigokora campaign ekoni esera.
We are also asking IBC to give fair and free elections.
Kitu ambacho tumeona ambacho kimetusumbua kidogo ni security yetu kama wanawake. Tunapata ya kwamba sisi sio watu wa kupigana, tunapenda kila mtu, na sisi tukiwa mama ambao tumezaa hatutaki kuona watoto wetu wakitumika kupigana kwa ajili ya siasa.
Boigo nigo batebiruna mbabuga tibito kibisa ine gochigwa kerekoko igo basabire abakenya gochiko basira na kuira ebirogo ebyo.
But for many of the women and the youth have been sidelined from big parties, and most of the times we use our own resources in everything we do. So they should not expect much from us, and we are asking the electorate to ensure that they pick leaders with respect with what they are selling in terms of their manifesto.
Kindly requesting those NGOs that are in Kisii, all those ones that are outside Kisii, if they can consider giving resources to women, because as women we in Kisii, you know, we are not given any inheritance.
Boigo nigo basabire bali bakoriye birogo aho anene abasaja kubasika basubati abu na kubakonya ili konyora ebirogo aho.
What I'm appealing to the people of Kisii County, please elect more women in the assembly so that they cannot be intimidated by men. We were really intimidated in the assembly. That is why some of us decided to go and fight.
I would like that we are given a space, a neutral space for us to campaign peacefully, for us to campaign equally, for us to be given a chance so that we may sell our policies.
And we know any discrimination